person in 8 hours of day, if I pluck some other clone, may pluck 25 kgs. But here he will pluck only 10 kgs. Because the shoot is so fine, the harvest will be very poor. But then the quality is there. As they say, quality comes at a price. So we start paying the price from here only. The main plucking season, which starts from the month of February, which is harvested up to end May, it is known as first flush. It has got a character of his own. It's got a liquoring quality of his own. Come 15th May to end June or maybe first week of July is a cream period of plucking, cream period of tea making. Right now you are in the cream period. This is known as second flush. During this period we make the most highly priced teas. The variance is at time in the sales average up to 300%. Tea manufacturer this time sells at triple the price. What we do it in the rain flush or maybe in the end season. First flush does get us prices, but the main cropping season is this time. And any quality which comes in, it comes in with a clone. Clone, like we have got lot of different varieties. Is the TV variety. This is a very good orthodox clone. If you want to make those Sri Lankan teas, what we call them also deep grades, this leaf is very good. It gives a very good golden tip. It takes a very good roll. If you see the quality of the leaf here, it's wiry. It is wiry. It's like a wiry sort of a leaf. It is not very sturdy. So once this becomes, when we wither it in the factory, when we remove the moisture, it becomes very flaccid and it takes a proper roll. And this part of the leaf, which is known as a bud, this forms your golden tips. This will be visible very clearly in the teas if you see.
You'll understand more.
Yeah.
You will understand more. There's a tip. So this tip is a main part. It doesn't mean that it is very, very good in liquor and everything, but it's got a character of its own. Because of its make, it sells at a very good price. We make a gold, we make a gold tea out of it, which is very little in the season, but then it is very, very highly priced. So this is the leaf. Just now they are rather plucking. So there is, I mentioned two things to you. The clones, TV3, TV23, TV24, TV26, there are a lot of clones. There are biclonal, there are seed clones, there are bushes which we make out of the seed plants, seeds of the tea, and there are some which we make from cuttings. So everybody has got a character. 36 degrees, all photosynthesis stops. The plant goes into your dormancy, it stops growing. To prevent that, this relief is given in the form of shade.
It looks good also.
It looks good, it looks pretty.
Does it matter what kind of tree you plant?
Yeah, a lot of different varieties. We put up 2-3 different varieties. Odotissima, Lebec, Lenticularis. See, this tea, once it is planted, it is for 50 years. God forbid, something happens to one particular variety. At least the balance 3 will survive. Yeah. If you plant of the same species and something goes wrong, you'll be wiped out. So we don't enter into that situation. Nowadays we are doing a lot of bouquet planting, neem. A lot of neem is being planted.
It's medicinal.
Its medicinal qualities also. When it goes into the soil, it also rehabilitates the soil. This is known as P126.
So this is a different.
It's a very different clone, P126 we call it.
Different variety.
And this is the leaf
You
grade.
understand, no?
No.
The leaf grade, the leaf.
The long one.
The long one, leaf grade.
That's
If you want to
called
make, this is the best clone, P126.
The long one, that's basically for the red tea, as we call it, without the sugar,
Okay.
If you just want to drink the liquor,
just the liquor.
person in 8 hours of day, if I pluck some other clone, may pluck 25 kgs. But here he will pluck only 10 kgs. Because the shoot is so fine, the harvest will be very poor. But then the quality is there. As they say, quality comes at a price. So we start paying the price from here only. If you see the bags here, hardly 8 kgs, 10 kgs. If they go and pluck somewhere else, other sections, there I might get 20-25 kgs in that 4 hours of duty. Now I'll get hardly 4, 5, 6 kgs.
But it's very premium tea.
Premium tea.
So we go just like more carefully.
More carefully, obviously. Obviously, if you see the table, he's plucking and going. If you see the table is absolutely flat, that side also see. Nothing is protruding out. What is to be removed has to be removed.
Yeah.
There's no dipping of hands, no going down. You must have seen the shears. It can go for CDC, but then because of the quality here, if we do an orthodox, it fetches us a better remuneration. So we prefer that.
So same plants can give you both CTC and...
Yeah, but the same plant here in this soil, and if you plant it in lower Assam, will not be the same quality.
Definitely.
In Sonari belt, it will be different.
Yes, definitely.
Sonari has got an inherent quality in the soil.
Okay. That's good for both?
No, it's good for both. Sonari circle come cross Moran. It's got a own quality of its own. The same thing if you go to Jaklabanda, will not be there. Upper Assam, we have got a different quality.
Okay.
This is the weather which we have normally. Highest temperature goes here. Unfortunately, last week we had some 39, 38. Now what we'll do, we'll put temporary in between, fast growing ones. So they will take over this. When these come up, we'll remove them. Because too much of shade is also good. Sunlight is required. So if you see this line, everything, it is hardly 2 years old plant. Something like this we will plant. So once these grow up, the permanent comes up, we'll remove it. You remove the temporary. This is on the roadside like an avenue. Inside the tea, whatever is there, it will all be removed. Right now we have done a planting of around 272 plants per hectare. Shade. But later on, only these will survive, balance will be removed. And the tea plants are around 12,500 per hectare. So this is 25 hectares of planting. And the topography is done up, the drainage is done up. That culvert what you see is being made to drain the water out. This culvert what we are making is to drain the water out. And then once this area comes up, this tree will be yielding something like 30 quintals to a year being full. See what we do is, this plant will grow now. I'll cut it at 14 inches. I'll let the laterals come up. Then the following prune I'll cut it at 16, 18, 3 hard cuts. Third one is the final frame formation. I'll form the frame like a tea bush. Then I'll let it go. It has to come from the bottom. It takes a lot of effort.
Yes.
It takes a lot of effort. Nothing is not now when we walk in. See this what we have done. This what you see was stamping on what this has been planted. This is all lemongrass. Lemongrass is like a barrier we put up.
No, you put this...
Yeah, we
all
planted.
in nature?
We
You
have planted it.
Yeah, okay, you planted it. Okay, so all around you have...
All around the garden you will see.
This will be for just, I mean, for commercial use or just like...
Commercial
that?
also.
You'll be
It's
selling
lemongrass.
this? You'll be selling this also?
We'll take a size of 21 inches. Then we shift it to the field. Those what you have seen planted.
From here only.
Here only.
So, when will be
September only. Now there is no problem. Say it's a period of 10-11 months. They grow 10 to 11 months. From September onwards, we start moving back. This banana, everything is planted because we have got a vermicompost. 26, T3, E3, but then there has to be also a market for it. There also has to be a market for it. So it's a mix. It's a mixed blend
Very nice.
for everything.
It's going
Need
to rain.
based.
It's going to rain today.
Yeah, certainly. It's showing 70%.
Getting
We go.